Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Collect 3 or more Zonai batteries and the device you plan to upgrade. Once you have parts, head straight to any workbench or vehicle assembly bench that accepts power modules. Make sure Link has inventory space and a crafting tool. This saves back-and-forth trips. Begin by removing unstable attachments from the device, then inspect battery terminals for matching polarity. This initial alignment prevents damage and speeds the melding step that follows, so do it carefully and avoid mismatches. Next, you perform the fusion process. Insert the battery aligned with the device's polarity and slot type, because mismatched fits cut performance. Once seated, apply power in controlled increments. Charge 10 to 20% at a time, so the circuitry stabilizes and avoids sudden surges. If the game offers stabilizer or insulation components, install them around terminals to prevent shorting and increase lifespan. While charging, monitor voltage indicators. If readings spike, pause, let the module cool, then resume at a lower increment. Finish by performing a full output and runtime test once the battery reaches full integration. Run the device through real tasks to confirm the upgrade yields the expected performance increase. Make sure indicators and timers match predicted values. If the device fails, immediately remove the battery, inspect terminals for corrosion or bent contacts, replace any stabilizers, and retry the incremental charging routine. For long-term reliability, store charged batteries in insulated cases away from moisture and extreme temperatures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.